Okay, well, to start off, we're just gonna open up the box, and I really like this packaging. Very cute. I love pink. And we got the usual sticker that I love. I have like 6 of these now. And then this is the phone grip, or what are they also called? Pop socket. I got Jin. And then we got some of the stickers. These are like the loose stickers. So we got one of each character. Mang. Cookie. I think these are just like the stickers from the first BTS theme one she did. Yeah, I think so. And then there's the one with all the members. And then there's the sticker sheets. I really like these. I'm excited to have BT21 themed ones instead of just the other BTS ones I had. These are fun. So it comes with 6 stickers on each sheet, which is nice. And then the sticker album. This is my 3rd sticker album from her, and I'm literally obsessed with these. I fill them up quickly. Then there's the washi tapes, Chimmy, RJ, and then Cookie and Shooky, Tata and Mang, Koya and Van, and then the BTS one. This one's kind of like the sticker sheet from the first BTS launch. So yeah, here's all of them again to show you a better look because my camera doesn't always focus. But I'm obsessed with washi tape, so I'm excited to have all of these because, you know, your girl loves washi tape and just doesn't seem to use all of them, but you know, they're nice to look at. Okay, so I'm going to do a bit of a swatch for each of the washi tapes just so you can see them better, since you can't really tell when they're rolled up. So yeah, just in a second you'll see all of them. Okay, so here are all of them, and I'm obsessed with these. They're so cute, and I'm excited to use all of them in my spreads. Yep, they're so cute.